So good morning students. In this video we are going to solve our question number 9 and 10 of chapter number 9. So in our previous video we had solved till question number 8. So in question number 9 it is given like Mohit spent 20% of his pocket money on comic books. If he gets 200 rupees as his pocket money, how much does he spend on the comic book? So first we will write the pocket money of Mohit is 200. Okay, means he get 200 every month. Okay, and percentage he spend on comic books. So he spent 20% on comic book every month. So first we have to find out 20% of 200, because 200 is total money he get and 20% is the part he spent on comic book. So we have to write it like 20% of 200. We have to write it like, because 20% is given, we can write it like 20 upon 100. In the place of we have to use multiplicative symbol and then 200. Now 20 can be cutted by 20. What is left here? 20 is left here and 2 is left here, and we have to write 20 into 2 here. Now after multiplying these number, we are getting 40 here. Total money he spends on comic books equals to 40. So any confusion here? If you are having any confusion, so you can ask in doubt group. So in 10 number question you can see it is given like in a class of 60 students, 40% of students were absent. How many students were absent in the classroom? So here it is given that in a classroom there are total 60 students and 40% students are absent. Now we have to find out the number of absent students. So you will say that absent students are already given, but absent students are given into percentage. We have to find out the number, how many students are absent over there. So first we have to write total student in the class equals to 60. Percentage of absent student equals to 40% are absent. So we have to write it like 40% of 60. So because 40% is given, so we have to write it like 40 upon 100 into 60. Now 0 can be cutted by 0. So what is left here? And this 0 can be cutted by this 0. What is left here? 4 and 6 are left here. Now 4 into 6 equals to 24. So now we can say that 24 students are absent out of 60 students in the classroom. So this is how you will solve these two questions. Solve these questions, and if you are having any problem in this question, so you can ask in doubt group.